Hey guys, and welcome to my episode on my favorite tech stock and why you guys should invest. Just a quick reminder that this isn't a financial advice video, this is just made for entertainment purposes only. So let's get started. So the stock that I really like and and hold in my portfolio, in my pie, and separately too, is Scottish Mortgage Trust, and it's launched by Baillie Gifford Group back in 1909, and it's global, and it's nothing to do with mortgages. So what are the aims of this stock? So the aims are written here, and I've highlighted the key point that I thought would be really interesting, is that the company aims to achieve a greater return than the FTSE All World Index over a 5-year rolling period. So let's have a look at the FTSE All World and their returns. So a 5-year return is about 50%, and a 12-month return is 5%. If a quick look at SMT, their 1-year return is 100% in the last year, and their 5-year return is almost 300%. So quick comparison, I mean, it blows you out of the water. It's basically 50%, 40% on average over its whole lifetime, but over the last year it's made 100%, even with the situation with the coronavirus. So how does it do it? And so let's have a look at the holdings, and maybe that will give us a better idea. And so it holds the likes of Tesla, Amazon, Alibaba. Most of you guys will have heard these. But the important thing that SMT does really well is that it gets in before you've even heard of these companies. And back early, when Tesla was not heard of, these guys had a large holding, and some of these companies are worth like thousands, literally. So the other thing that strikes me is that's really important is if you see some of these companies that are highlighted, like Delivery Hero, Stripe, and Space Exploration Technologies, these are private companies, but yet they hold these companies. So they get in really early, buy these really good tech stocks, and basically sit on them until they blow up, which is absolutely fantastic for anyone who holds their shares, because it's pretty much it's great because you don't need to do any of the legwork, and you're gaining at least 40% a year every year. So that's fantastic. So let's have a look at some of the other key points that make this share a well-rounded basically bet. And they have a debt, but they have been reducing it, and it's which is fantastic, which means that they're moving in the right direction. And everyone's heard of Berkshire Hathaway, and they beat the returns that you'll get if you invested in Berkshire Hathaway, which is surprising. It's also a FTSE 100 stock, so it's recognized as the one of the 100 best stocks in the London Stock Exchange. And over the last year, there's been plenty of insider buying, which is usually a great sign. Means that the people who are running the company believe in the company and are willing to put their money where they work, and that they know that they're going to basically keep making those great decisions and keep turning those profits. So yeah, so the final question is, will you guys be investing in SMT now that you have a little bit more knowledge of what they do? For me, it was a no-brainer once I kind of did a bit of research about this company, and what drove me to do a bit more research was actually the actual returns year on year, and I found out that they have a return of 40%, which is huge, beats the market 4 times over. So now that you know all of this information, will you guys be investing? So please drop a comment in the section below, and if you like this content, please subscribe and like this video, and thank you guys for listening.